In a global effort to build a more sustainable future, the world is transitioning from solely using traditional fossil fuels to power our daily lives to integrating cleaner, greener technology. Included in this energy transition is technology that turns waste into energy. As you can imagine, the process of converting raw biogas or landfill biogas into clean, green, renewable natural gas is complex. Each component needs to be handled and treated differently, with operating processes that remove impurities. StarkTech's integrated renewable natural gas solutions do just that. We deliver scalable, turnkey RNG plants that handle and treat the most common and most difficult components, creating renewable natural gas that meets the highest quality pipeline standards. We offer design, implementation, and commissioning. In addition, our service plans are designed to help your plant run efficiently with 24/7 monitoring to improve performance and uptime, optimize energy usage with minimum consumables, and provide maintenance and scheduling insights that reduce costs. Our mission is to supply your RNG plant and keep it running at optimum capacity, day after day.